Hey, so ZonGuru alternatives, ZonGuru alternatives. What alternatives are available for this cool software for Amazon sellers called ZonGuru? We're gonna go through all of them, and there are gonna be 3 in this video. Now, ZonGuru is tool for Amazon sellers. In the description, I'm gonna have the best offers for ZonGuru and some tutorials to show you how to use it. So if you want to switch and you're just not sure how to use it, I have all the best kind of material for you to make the most out of ZonGuru. If you still are looking to switch for any different reasons, then I can offer you Helium 10. It's a software for Amazon sellers. It has more tools than ZonGuru, but also it's more expensive than ZonGuru. I'm going to have in the description the best offer for Helium 10 along with a free trial and kind of the best discounts with tutorials playlist, which houses over 150 tutorials for Helium 10 for you. So that's one option. The second option, which is a ZonGuru alternative, is Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is also kind of software and all-in-one software for Amazon sellers. Also similar in the price range with ZonGuru, a little bit more expensive. Link to Jungle Scout is in the description, along with close to 100 tutorials of Jungle Scout and the best offers for Jungle Scout as well. Then the third one that I have for you is Viral Launch. Now, Viral Launch is also kind of all-in-one software for Amazon sellers, more expensive than ZonGuru and also a bit more expensive than Jungle Scout. Also houses many tools that are similar to those of ZonGuru, and there's some other tools that ZonGuru doesn't have with Viral Launch. So check out the alternatives in the description with the best offers for them and also the best offers for ZonGuru and the best tutorials for ZonGuru as well. Have a great day.